In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Zoho WorkDrive. We all know how crucial it is to make sure our files are safely backed up to prevent any loss of valuable data. Today, we're focusing on how you can do this manually. This method is particularly useful if you're looking to handle a smaller amount of files and prefer a straightforward approach. So, let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to access your Zoho WorkDrive. You can do this via your web browser or by using the TrueSync desktop app. Both of these platforms serve as gateways to your data stored on Zoho WorkDrive, allowing you to carefully select which files or folders you need to back up. Once you're in, take a moment to identify the important files or folders that you want to save. This could include anything from critical business documents to personal files that hold sentimental value. After identifying the files, you'll need to download them manually to your local storage. This is where the core of the manual backup process takes place. Simply select a file or folder and look for the download option, often represented by a downward-pointing arrow or a similar symbol. Clicking this will start the transfer of your chosen data from the cloud to your local device. Now, this manual method is incredibly flexible. It gives you full control over exactly what you're backing up, without any additional software stepping in to manage the process for you. However, one important consideration is its practicality. If you're handling large data sets, or if regular backups are part of your routine, a manual download can become tedious and time-consuming. In such cases, you might want to explore more automated solutions available through Zoho or third-party services. Once the download is complete, locate your files in the default download folder on your system. Typically, this is a folder aptly named Downloads, though it can be customized based on your settings. From here, it's essential to move these files to your preferred backup location. This could be an external hard drive, cloud storage, or another designated folder on your computer where you keep your backups. This final organization step ensures that your files are not only backed up, but also easy to locate when needed. And there you have it. That's how you do it. While this manual method might not suit everyone, especially if you're frequently backing up data or dealing with large volumes, it's a great starting point that offers a clear understanding of your data's movements and destinations. Remember, the key to effective data management and security is to perform regular backups, so your data is always safeguarded. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance with your backup process.